Get ready with green and white pipe cleaners. Wrap one pipe cleaner evenly around a pen, making it spring-like. Then take another pipe cleaner and thread it through the middle, twisting it tight. Twist any excess pipe cleaner to the center. Then slightly pinch each small loop and rotate it 90 degrees. Spread the petals evenly. Next, let's create the flower center. Since I'm making a green-eyed daisy, I used a green pipe cleaner. You can choose any color that fits your idea. Pass the end through the middle, repeating this step until you have the right size. Make sure it's round and flat. Thread the end of the flower center through the middle of the flower, all the way through. Then adjust the shape of the petals a bit. You'll need 3 to 4 flowers assembled together for one stem. Stretch the floral tape a bit to increase its stickiness. Start wrapping from the bottom of the flower, covering the entire stem. Wrap the first flower, then use the same method for the second one. When you're about halfway, wrap it together with the first one. You don't have to finish this one, because we need to add one more flower. Assemble the third flower and evenly wrap it with green floral tape. You can also add a few leaves. I'm making a small one. If you need bigger leaf, just use longer pipe cleaners. The edges of the leaves should have some small pointed tips. And they don't need to be perfectly symmetrical. Secure the end of a pipe cleaner by twisting it. Then attach the leaf to the flowers. Repeat the previous steps and make as many as you like.